Hey Lockaholics, this is Subsonic 1050 with another picking video for you. And this is an American lock. It is a Series 10. These are aluminum bodied padlocks, 5 pins. I have previously picked this one. I can tell you it does have some serrated pins in there like most American locks, and probably a serrated spool or two, although I don't generally get a false set with this lock. Like I said, I've picked it a couple of times and usually it just picks to open. Here is the key for it. I'll show you that it does work. And this lock was given to me in a trade with Jeff Moss of keypicking.com. He also has a YouTube channel, so be sure to check that out and subscribe to him. He is a very knowledgeable guy and also great to deal with. He gave me a fantastic deal on a trade. So really appreciate that, Jeff. Thank you for the lock. I do have some other locks from Jeff that I will be doing some videos on soon, but I wanted to get a video up rather quickly. So let's go ahead and see if we can pick this American. And like the other American locks I've picked, I'm going to pick these with the camera off to the side due to the way the keyway sits here. It's difficult to pick with the camera between me and the lock. I'm going to be using a homemade tension wrench made out of windshield wiper insert. This side is ground down, so this is a double-ended, but this side is ground down. Be using bottom of the keyway tension here, and then a homebrew hook. So let's see how we can do here. Okay, pin 4 got 3 clicks out of it. Pin 5 gave me a click. Getting nothing, so probably overset something. Got a couple of clicks out of pin 3 there. Okay, pin 1, and there it is, picked open. I think I just touched pin 2 on the way up to pin 1. I think that might have set. So let's go ahead and gut this thing here. Alright. Standard screw in here, that's kind of unusual. I wonder if that was replaced by somebody at some point. Get the plate off here. Sorry, I don't always keep these in focus while I'm getting this stuff out, or in frame. Alright. Get the clip off. I like how these American locks use this, I don't know if this is brass or what this ring is, but it's not steel. And some of these are a real bear to get off of there. Alright, let's see. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and use the key here just to rotate this to the position that I want it in, because I want it like that. Alright. Alright, and Americans usually actually have some serrated key pins, so we'll see what we have here. Pin 1 looks to be standard, 2 is serrated, 3 is serrated, 4 is serrated, and 5 is serrated. There is a position for a 6th pin, but like they've been doing lately, there is no 6th pin. So let's go ahead and see what these drivers look like. Pin 1 is serrated. 2 is serrated. 3 is serrated. I wonder if there's not going to be any spools. 4 is serrated. And 5 is serrated. So unlike a lot of the American locks, this one didn't have any serrated spools, which is the reason why it doesn't give me any false sets, or I haven't had that while picking this lock. I have had that with some other locks though, where it actually has spools and you usually just for whatever reason don't hit the false set. But if we can see this here, we have 4 serrated key pins, 1 standard, and 5 all serrated drivers. So that is an American Series 10 and picked open and gutted Jeff Moss. Thank you very much for the lock, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.